Hey mob, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see, we are back with another hair tutorial. Today's video will be sponsored by HC Hair Beauty, and as you guys can see, I am trying a 613 wig for the very first time. Okay, this reminds me of like Black Barbie type of vibes because the hair is definitely giving Barbie. So if you guys want to see exactly how I was able to style this wig, then just continue to watch. Alright, so as usual, I'm just going to give you guys a very quick unboxing, that way you know everything that comes in the box. So here is the hair here, and just to give you guys some detail on it, it is a 613 blonde body wave 13x4 HD lace wig, 26 inches, 180% density. Look at that lace, you guys. I wanted to make sure you guys were able to see that it is super transparent. The body wave, of course, is body waving, and the hair is super soft, which is one thing that I did like about it. I'm also going to give you guys an insight as to how the inside of the wig looks. So you're going to have about 4 combs, one in the front, the sides, and also the back. The wig also does come with the adjustable straps in the back as well. Alright, so first we're going to go ahead and bleach these knots. So the first thing that I do is I use my Got2b glue spray, and I spray it around the hairline, and I also spray it in the inside of the wig. This is a trick that I do just in case the bleach gets on the hair specifically, or if the bleach is too runny, it doesn't seep into the wig. Okay, so next I'm going to show you guys exactly how I make the bleaching cream, whatever you want to call it. So I take about 2 scoops of the bleaching powder, and then I go in with my developer. Now listen, you guys, the thing is that you have to add a little bit at a time, because if you add too much, it's going to be too runny and it's going to seep through the lace and get on the hair, and that's something that you do not want. So pour a little bit at a time and continue to mix it. When you're done mixing, it should look like paste. Okay. Now, even though this is a 613 wig and the lace is super transparent, the reason why I'm bleaching the knots is to just make sure that the knots aren't as harsh, and to also tone down the hair that's on the lace for the roots. That way it looks a little bit more believable that it's growing from my scalp. Alright, so once I finish putting the bleaching solution all over my lace, I let that sit for about 35 minutes or so, and then I'm going to go ahead and wash it out. Now that shampoo bottle that you see right there, that is my Shimmering Lights purple shampoo. I know the girls is using blue shampoo now. I still use the purple and it still works out fine for me, but I'm going to use that shampoo on the lace to just tone it down some more after the bleaching, and then I just went in with some regular shampoo and just washed the rest of the wig. Make sure you guys wash your wigs before you actually install them. Alright, so now it's time for the fun part. We are finally going to install this wig, and I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I was nervous. I never went blonde before, but I was curious to see exactly how it would turn out. So as you guys can see, I'm just fitting the wig to my head. Those combs are also very useful. I did use the back comb and the side comb as well, just to make it more fitting. Now I'm just cutting out the ears, and after I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace into 4 pieces and start the laying process. And you guys know I don't use glue, I use the Even adhesive spray. So we're gonna go through all that right now. Alright, so after I finished laying everything down, as you guys can see, I did put the elastic band on my head. Now it is time for plucking. What I do is I pretty much part like an inch behind the hairline and I pluck, comb it back, part it again, pluck, comb it back. I take this process really slow because I don't want to over pluck. And then on top of that, this is a blonde wig with super blonde roots, so I was very careful with the plucking on this one. So I did that process all around the hairline, and now I am just blowing out the hair. It was still pretty damp. Just so you guys know, when I do wash my wigs, I do let them air dry for probably about like 2 days mostly. And if it's still wet, which in this case it was because the hair is super full, it's 180% density, I did go in with the blow dryer just to make sure that it'll be easy to curl the hair when I'm ready to curl it, because I knew I wanted to do curls in this wig. So yeah. Alright, so now I am taking my handy dandy wax stick. You guys know that I love this wax stick. By the way, all the products I'm using, including the hair information, of course, will be listed in the description box down below, okay? But anyways, I'm going in with my hot comb right now, and this is to just smooth out that hairline, see if I need to pluck any more, etc, etc, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and do this process, and then after I did this, I think I was actually ready to cut off the lace. Alright, so I'm using my small razor to cut off the additional lace, which is actually very easy to do, being that I already cut the lace into about 4 pieces. So I take my time doing this, and then I go in with my mini scissors just in case I need to tidy up some spots. So majority of the time, whenever you cut off the additional lace, you'll have like these little pieces that stick up or whatever, and you want to make sure that your lace is laid, okay? So what I do is I put some Eben adhesive spray on the tail end of my rat tail comb. I just dab it on the lace, and then I blow dry it, and then afterwards I tie it down again with my elastic band just to give it that extra laidness. Alright, so I did my makeup off camera, so now I'm looking like, you know, a little black Barbie, almost. We still gotta style the hair. So I knew I wanted to do a little side swoop, and I also knew that I wanted to do curls. So you guys are gonna see me parting this out right now. And now I'm just gonna add some curls in with my curling iron. That's obviously self-explanatory, so I'll let you guys watch and then I'll come back towards the end. Oh, and really quick, I want to give you guys my experience with this hair. So for one, I did not have any issues as far as like excessive shedding or excessive tangling or anything like that. And when it came down to the styling, I'm pretty sure you guys could tell by now the hair didn't give me a lot of issues. Actually, it didn't really give me too many issues at all. I was just trying to get used to the color per se, but I didn't have any issues with the hair as far as installing it and making it work. So I just want to let you guys know that, okay? Alright, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and finger detangle, and I wanted to come back on the mic just to let you guys know, like, you see how like my hands is just gliding through the hair. This hair is super soft. When I'm talking about some Barbie hair, it's not only Barbie hair because of the color, it's Barbie hair because the hair is super soft, okay? I honestly thought that I wasn't gonna be able to pull this off. It's different, but I made it work. So I want to thank HC Hair one more time for sponsoring today's video. Make sure you guys check out the description box down below. Everything I use, including the hair details, will be listed there, and a discount code for you all. I love you guys per usual, and I will see you next time. Bye.